Eat pineapple. Look at that. Right out from SpongeBob's house. That's right.
It's sweet?
What?
It's sweet?
No. Well, sort of sweet, but I like it. On this side of the mouth, it really brings the flavor. Yeah. Oh, come on. Stupid thing. It was free, all stuck together. I always got one unattached from the other. Got this one unattached from that one. Now at least I can eat the rest of the pineapple with no interruptions and with no distractions and without any struggles. At least. Oh, this was a big piece. Actually, now that I'm tasting it, it feels like, I don't know, like a bunch of them stuck together, and it makes out like one big one. That's what it tastes like. Here's the unfinished picture I'm working on. So, bye. Oh, I just dropped it on the table.